Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks, which looks like this. This is the front, and this is for my waffle stripes, part of the bow and tie series. And there's a new bow and tie series, Hobonichi weeks. It's called Boar Piglets. There's also one that's called Cactus. I'm not sure if it's just cactus or cactus something or something cactus, but the thing is, it is for the 2019 year, and it would start in January 2019, just like this one. This is 2018, and it started actually December. Let me see. Where did you start? Did it start January? No, it started November, end of November. So I think it started November because it's actually designed to start in December. Yeah, but for me, so I'm gonna wait for the spring edition or for the spring line to come out and then make purchases there. I'm not really sure. So today we're going to plan this week using this kit called Stillness. I'm actually sat down, so I don't know if you can see or if it's in focus. So this is the first page, and it has blue, green color going through it. I talked about this in my new releases, which you should have seen already. Should have been posted by now. This is the second page. This is such a pretty box. I picked this up because I know that it's going to be a very busy week, and as I have mentioned in another plan with me, if it is a busy week, I tend to get kits that are not too busy looking. So nothing bright going on. Oh no, I'm gonna start here like this, like my usual. And I hope I am in the camera. I hope it's filming, because this is the third video that I am filming today. And so when I film, I stand up, but today I felt like sitting down because I'm tired. And also, if you notice, this video is not a voiceover like what I usually do. If you hear noises, that's like plastic all around me, because these are new releases. By the way, Stillness is part of the Hereafter collection, and the Hereafter collection is a September 2018 week 1 release. So it is live right now together with two other sister kits for this collection, which is EVERMORE. Oh no, that's not right. Okay, EVERMORE and Infinity. I have massive love for this collection because it is hard to do. I had to pull emotions, which I'm not very good at. I'm the kind of person that is okay with not being in touch with how I'm feeling every day. I don't know if that makes sense or sound like such a horrible person. I know today, because I feel like nowadays it's highly encouraged to be in touch of how you're feeling. It's as part of mental health, I think. And sometimes there are people who are like me. Oh my gosh, I already know that this is crooked. This is crooked too. Oh my gosh, this is not going well. I thought it'd be easier to be sat down rather than standing up like what I usually do, but it's not. We're just realizing that now. So this page is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down the other box. So yeah, so emotions are hard for me to get in touch with, I guess. Hang on. Where's the line? Because last time I like misjudged it. I guess that's the line. Wow, why is this calendar beyond the last line? That's weird. I'm not sure if it had done that before, because it's still showing. Can you see? It's still showing, but only a little bit, so I'm gonna leave that alone. Oh no! Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Wait. It's fine. Fine. It's a little crooked, but it's not too crooked, so it's still okay. the chances of it peeling up the paper underneath is 50-50, I'm guessing. So I tend not to just pull it up. I'm fine. If it's crooked, it's crooked. That's the way life is. I keep getting distracted because it's a hard thing for me to talk about emotions, talk about, you know, how I'm feeling. I'm thinking that there are people out there who feel the same way. I'm gonna take this sticker. She's pretty. I'm gonna put it up here as a decorative touch. So yeah, I'm not very in touch with my emotions, and the way that I deal with that, because I want to improve that part of me, is I keep a journal. I keep an A6. It's why I haven't been filming in my A6, because it had transformed into a straight up journal, like, of emotions, not just of events. So I haven't been filming with that planner, so because I feel like it's really personal. I actually don't share a lot of personal things with you guys because I'm a little on the private side. And actually, maybe someone out there will know how it feels. I'm really not comfortable with people. It's not that I'm anxious. There's some anxiety, but it's not too terrible. And I am a teacher, so that is really weird to talk about, that I'm really not comfortable with people I don't know. And I think a lot of people feel the same way as me, that it takes a while for me to open up. I mean, I've been filming for a few years, and what do you really know about me? What have I shared? Let's put this, the other way. Let's try the other way. You know that I go to school. Some of you know that I do archaeology. No, that doesn't look pretty. It looks too cluttered. And that I have a shop. I've had my shop for quite some time, locally here in the Philippines. I teach. That's about all you know, I think. So, as I've mentioned, I'm not very good with sharing things about myself. And I don't know if that is something some of you also feel. And if you do feel the same way, like me, then you guys would... I just want you guys to know that I completely understand you. And I think that is one thing that is actually preventing my shop success at some point, because I did think about that. When I was watching videos about how to be successful on Etsy and things like that, you have to be personable. That's what it said. I mean, a lot of advice is that you have to be personable. You can use the fact that you are a small shop by sharing your process and things like that. I find that very difficult to do, because as I mentioned, it's hard for me to share things about my life. I do share a little bit with you guys, but there are plenty that I do not share. Like, a lot. And I'm finding it hard to find things to talk about that would not necessarily be me sharing too many things, like frivolous things. Well, I wouldn't call it, shouldn't be frivolous, but you know, like, I'm going to the grocery store, I'm going on trip, I'm doing this and that. Yeah, it's not. Even then, I find it hard to find something to talk about. So that's why I like voiceovers, because I can control what I talk about. And I've actually started talking about school, the life of being in grad school, and I'm hoping that some of you will be able to get know me a little bit more. I'm gonna put this down Saturday for new releases. But I don't know. I don't know if I am getting across. Oh no. Oh no! I'm hoping this will peel up. Success. Actually, this format is inspired by one of our customers who sent me a message via Instagram. So she DM'd me and she showed me her spread, and this is what part of what she had done, and I was very inspired by that, so I copied it. I guess in future videos maybe I can also do a little bit more sharing. Maybe soon. I'm not so sure about that. But you see, that's why I make kits. Because it allows you to personalize your page according to how you feel, according to what you're thinking. It's completely, of course, okay to just use kits because they're pretty. Some weeks that is what I do. It's pretty, I'ma use it. Sometimes, no, to do is here. But that's too cluttered. But sometimes, like for this kit is very special to me, the entire Hereafter collection. It had resonated with some customers already. Some of you probably understand what it means, or the emotion that I am trying to give you through the kit, through the art that I have chosen. Okay, I may not be showing or selling things that I have drawn myself. I'll take one. But I do curate everything that I come out with. And I do pick them. That is art also, I feel. I mean, when you do your spread, that's art. You are making art. I don't know if you feel that, but that is how I think whenever I watch a plan with me. She's actually doing art, she's just not just planning. I mean, art is very fluid, I think. And now I think because there's a monetary component of art, people do not see art the same way that I would. Like, I hear that, there's a lot of controversy with artists not getting paid. That is very important as well. I'm not undermining that. I'm just saying that art can occur in very many different ways. And I feel like when you decorate your page, you are actually doing art yourself. And for people who do not necessarily draw or do not want to draw on their planners and instead want to use stickers, that is fine as well. You're still doing art. And there are a lot of artists in the planning community. You are all artists. I'm going to put this here just to balance it out, which is really pretty too. I like to do art. Not necessarily draw, but I feel like this is art. And if somebody is to say that that's not art, you just use stickers on your page, that can be true too. So here is my completed spread, and this is my empty page of page 2 and empty page 1. See, I like that when I make a kit, I make sure that the kit is all the stickers are used. I don't like to see stickers that are, or kits that have, I don't like to make kits that have too much stickers. I feel like when you buy something from the shop, I want you to be able to use all of the components in one big go. Find a balance. Speaking of writing on your planner, this is my pen pouch. You're going to be seeing this from now on. Look at all the pens I have. I am looking for a particular pen. It could be this. So this is my Metropole, and this is the other one. I have two. I'm gonna test it, see which one is the correct one. This is a gift from a friend. It is a unicorn. I had a very big unicorn face. So this one is Documentus Brown. Let's remember. This one, I'm not so sure. This one has issues. Wait, are they both Documentus brown? Hello? Uh-oh. Now, one of them should not be Documentus brown. One of them should be a sailor. Oh, this is that one. So, not this one. I want to use the Documentus brown because this has a lot of artsy feel, and brown reminds me of craft paper, and craft paper reminds me of artsy things. So, hello September. This is the first September of the year. And I'm just going to write down the dates. I shouldn't say first September of the year. No, that's not what I meant. What I meant was this is the first week of September for this year. English is not my first language, so sometimes I do not use the right words, and I'm sorry for that. I know that can be really annoying. Okay, so those are the dates down. By the way, I've said this multiple times, nearly in every video, but if you're new to my channel or to my shop, my kits are fountain pen friendly, and they're cream and glossy. Cream because the paper of the Hobonichi, the paper of all the Hobonichi books are not bleached white. They are in fact cream, and I really like that aspect about them. It's easier on the eyes. Okay, and then I'm gonna put something here, which is, oh no, I should just start with this page because I don't want to have a hard time writing on this part later. Okay, I'm putting this down here because sometimes ink goes all over the place. Why is there like a fluff on here? That must be my cat. So I don't want this page to have any stray ink. So here I'm gonna write down that I want to edit. I'm gonna say that I'm gonna do IG stories. Last week I was able to do 3 days straight, and then things happened. Not so good. Oh, I should not have written on here. Okay, I'm gonna say edit video, post video. And then I'm gonna help Javi build his man cave. He had requested to get one of the rooms to be his man cave. I don't have a man cave. I do have a table with all my planners, so he probably just doesn't want to be around girly things all the time. Maybe there are some parts of him that want to be, I'm a man surrounded by man things. This room is gonna get really smelly, that's for sure. Okay, and then on Tuesday, I'm gonna send emails, and then I'm gonna write down who I'm gonna send that to. That is for school. And then I'm gonna write a paper. I'm gonna start writing something. And then on Wednesday, this is class day. I need to prep for class, so prep PowerPoint. I haven't actually done that, but it's really easy because it's just an activity, a short lecture and an activity. And then I'm gonna write on Thursday to design. This is design day. So I'm gonna write A6, weeks. The first thing to be designed is weeks. And then Hobonichi cousin vertical, and Hobonichi cousin vertical and hourly. So my family has returned, if you can hear that. And then on Friday is class day again. Oh my gosh. I forgot to write down to book hotel for my trip. I'm going to Vietnam. I've mentioned this before. I need to book for Ho Chi Minh, which we're flying out of. And then the actual conference is in a place called Hue, and I have to book a separate hotel for that as well. Saturday is new releases. And then on Sunday, I don't really know what's going to go down that day yet. So my goals for the week is to keep calm. So this is my self-care goal. Keep calm and stop the hysterics. And then there's shop. Oh no, my dogs! Okay, and that is it for us today. Here's my completed spread. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, paperjoyph. And if you like any of the kits or stickers that I have shown you today, they are available at the shop, paperjoyph.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!